Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am presenting the different amazing lemon centerpieces decor for your home and your living rooms and your kitchens also. In this video we discuss about the different amazing lemon decors dye projects and how to decorate your spring centerpieces ideas and the different summer decorating secrets and the Easter's 2024 trends and Dollar Tree finds. Let's start this video. Please keep watching this video till end. Welcome to our guides on creating a vibrant lemon centerpieces decors that will brighten up your home table, kitchens and the living room also. Let's dive into the simplicity and the beauty of the lemon decors, ensuring your space is refreshed and ready for spring and the summer 2024. Lemon centerpieces for home tables. The must-be things your minds when you decorate your tables in the summer. Colors patterns must be important. The pairs lemons with a complementary color such as a navy blue, soft whites and the green. These colors together create a fresh, vibrant look that's perfect for any table setting. Next thing is a table setting. Use a white or a light blue tablecloth as your base for a rustic touch and a burlap runners. Place your lemon centerpieces in the mind and your middle of your table, surrounding by the clear glass vases filled with the white and the yellow flowers. You need also accessories and navy blue and the napkins and the white dishes to complete the look. The silver and the rustics cutlery pairs beautifully with these setups. Lemon decors in the kitchens is also important and enhance the beauty of your kitchens. Color matchings. Lemon naturally bring a pop of color, as accentuates them with the white and the green kitchen's accessories for a clean and the fresh look. Think white wooden borders and the green plants. And the glasswares. Use the clear glass jar filled with the lemon as a both decors and the practical storage. They are perfect for countertops or open shelving. Yeah, decor tips also you can pick the idea from these videos. Hang a lemon's wreath on the kitchen's decor. Use the lemon patterns, kitchens towels and the place bowl of a fresh lemons on the counter for a both aesthetics and the handy cooking ingredients. Yeah, you can also use for the Dollar Tree finds. First up, our Dollar Tree Fuel has everything you need for these projects. And the Easter 2024 stands is also amazing, and his approach Easter 2024 interesting lemon essence with your Easter's decors can add a unique twist. It's a fresh take on a seasonal decorating, blending traditional Easter's themes with the vibrant energy of lemons. Don't forget the power of a good summer centerpieces and the mixing the lemons with the seasonal flowers and the greenery can elevate your summer home decors. It's a vibrant and the lovely touch that can brightens up any room. For those who love to decorate, join